my dear ones, this is Zori and I'm so excited, and you will see why just in a while. I'm so excited to share this wonderful news with you because today we are going to make unboxing video of the new iPhone X. I'm so excited. My iPhone X Silver just have arrived in this pretty beautiful box. And let's do it all together. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying. Wow. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's beautiful. The box is relief. You can touch it and it's so wonderful. I ordered the silver version. Oh my god, it's designed by Apple California. Oh, and it's smelling so nice. And oh, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Designed by Apple California. This is maybe the booklet. All the stickers. The Apple stickers are here. Oh, that's so nice. Let's see the phone. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Also the charger is here. Wow. 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 Look at that. Oh my god, it's so lovely. I love it. Look at this. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let's open it. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look, the silver one. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely amazing. So I have headphones. The charger is here in the box. You can see it. Let's turn it on. How I turn it on? Guys, how I turn it on? The apple. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh, it's beautiful. Hello. Hello. Swipe up to open. Okay. Insert a valid SIM card with no PIN lock to activate iPhone. Okay. English. Select your country. We select the country. Wow, it's gorgeous. Okay. You have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11. Bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set up this iPhone manually. Set up manually. English. Okay, keyboards. Choose a Wi-Fi network. It's beautiful. Wow, I will set it. It's gorgeous. Do you like it? It's amazing. And I will set it up later. This is the iPhone X. Really, my first impressions are very nice. I like it. It looks amazing. And I'm going to film a lot of videos with it for you. So I wish you a lot of love, happiness, success, and everything that you have wished and everything that you have dreamed for to come true for you. I'm Zori. I love you. Kisses. Bye.